In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless video loop using CapCut. Looped videos are not only engaging, but they can also add a professional touch to your content, whether you're sharing on social media or showcasing your latest project. By the end of this guide, you will have a smooth, looping video that plays back flawlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your CapCut project and select the video clip you plan to loop. Once you've chosen your clip, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl C to copy it. This familiar copy command is your friend here, allowing you to quickly duplicate your clip for easy repetition. Moving on, you'll need to paste the copied clip back into the timeline. Do this multiple times in succession. The idea here is to create a series of back-to-back clips that play seamlessly into each other. The more times you paste the clip, the longer your loop will be, so feel free to adjust the length to suit your needs. Layering multiple instances of the same clip will give the effect of an ongoing, continuous loop. Next, to ensure that your loop transitions smoothly, you'll want to add a fade in at the beginning of the sequence and a fade out at the end. Fades are a powerful editing tool, offering a gentle transition that softens any abrupt starts or stops in your video. This step is crucial, as it helps to eliminate the possibility of any visual or audio jarring, which can disrupt the immersive nature of a looped video. Simply drag and drop the fade effect onto the start and end of your clip sequence, allowing it to blend naturally into itself when it loops back around. Now, with your clips duplicated and transitions in place, it's time for the final step, exporting your loop. When you go to export, be sure to save the project as a full loop. This setting ensures that your video will play back seamlessly, maintaining the smooth flow you've just created. Take a moment to review the export settings. Choose a suitable video quality and format for your intended platform, and voila! You've successfully created a captivating loop using CapCut, and there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've transformed a regular video clip into a professional, looping masterpiece ready to captivate viewers. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different clips and effects. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on video editing. Happy editing!